got it, and I just can't hide it. Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. If you're new, my name is Rachel Amma and I have such an amazing announcement. I mean, it's already in the title, so you probably guessed it. I have a cookbook coming out. You guys have been asking, Rachel, have you got a cookbook? Have you got an ebook? Can we get some written recipes? And I've wanted to share this with you guys, but I've been told not to. Up until now, I have been creating a vegan cookbook and oh, I'm so excited to share it with you guys. First things first. Ta-da! Can you tell how excited I am? What I wanted to do is, it's coming out in June, but until then, if you pre-order it now, you're gonna get an ebook where you get 7 recipes ahead of the cookbook release. So I'm gonna leave a link down below where you can pre-order my book. I can't believe I'm even saying that, but yeah, you can pre-order it and you're gonna get 7 recipes straight away from the cookbook. So you've got some recipes to keep you busy until the final book with all the recipes is gonna come out. Quick instructions on how to get your ebook. Once you have pre-ordered the main book, you're gonna get email confirmation. Now with that confirmation email, you need to send it to this email address. And then once you do that, we're gonna send you a copy of the ebook. I will leave the email address and the instructions in the description bar just to keep it nice and easy and simple for you guys. But that's all you gotta do, nice and simple. And then you're gonna get a copy of the ebook with 7 epic recipes. They are really delicious recipes. They're close to my heart. They are ones that I grew up eating. There's some Caribbean recipes, some African recipes, your basic, normal, everyday vegan essential recipes that are quick and easy. Lots of family-friendly recipes. The whole methods are in there, the ingredient list. And because I really wanted to keep this book close to my heart, as you guys know, music is so important to me. I love music. Music has always been playing in my house. It's such a big part of who I am. I have listed song recommendations for some of the recipes, and there will be a playlist where you can listen to all the random songs that I'm listening to while I'm cooking so that you can listen and cook, listen and cook, listen and cook. And then in the summer, you're gonna get the final cookbook with everything. I really hope you guys are gonna enjoy it. And I wanted to create a video where I kind of take you through the stages of how I got the cookbook, what I did for the cookbook, because this is all completely new to me. I just wanted to share it with you, and also I'm gonna be sharing with you exclusive previews of the recipes to come in the book, all the amazing, delicious recipes you're gonna get if you order my cookbook, which I really hope you do. So let's start at the beginning. How did I get a book? How did I get a vegan book? So it all pretty much started in this kitchen of mine where I started making my YouTube videos, and you guys have been watching them and supporting me, and it's been an amazing journey. Last year I was looking out for management, and this amazing management company emailed me. They became my managers and they asked me, Rachel, would you be interested in doing a cookbook? And I was like, I don't know if anyone would be interested. They were like, go away, create some recipe ideas, put them down, make the proposal, we'll send them out and we'll see what happens. So the proposal really was just a bunch of information about all the recipes that I would share in the book, what I would want the book to be like, a bit about me, and how the book would come together. And luckily enough, I am working with Ebook, and they are my publishers for this amazing cookbook. So the next stage was all the recipe testing. Let me tell you. Recipe testing. Recipe testing, recipe testing. My kitchen was a constant mess 24/7. Washing up, cooking, buying ingredients, coming home, washing up, cooking, remaking, get it right. It has been a process, and with the deadlines, it was intense. I'm not gonna lie to you. I remember at one point I was really kind of starting to burn out a little bit, but I still wanted to post on YouTube. So I shared recipes, full recipes. I made a mistake where I called celeries, leeks, and thyme, rosemary, or rosemary thyme. I can't remember, and I don't know why I called celery leeks. I clearly know the difference between the both of them. And then I watched it back and I was like, wow. And then in came the comments. I was burning out. Like, clearly my brain was just not functioning well enough for me to realize. Most of you were so kind and so supportive and were just like, Rachel, you know, everyone's human, we make mistakes, it's fine. And I was like, thank you guys. Some people not so kind, but you know, And then once all the recipe was done, tested, approved, ready for the book, it was time to do the photography. The food photography was probably the most fun bit. Also, it was difficult because we were doing it in November, and that meant the sun was setting at like 3 o'clock in the afternoon. So we had to do all the shots while we still had daylight. But it was amazing. I'm gonna just show you the clips of fun food that is to come in this book. So I was off every day to South London from North London. I actually became more in love with South London than I've ever been before. And we did all the food photography. We were eating all the food we were making, and it was just so fun. The photographers, they were so cool. I loved them, they were amazing. The whole team was just sick. Like, it was such a nice experience. I got to use my mum's fabrics because I really wanted it to be a personal book and personal to me. So we just added the little personal touches like my mum's fabrics. Every time she's in Africa, she comes back with new fabrics. So they feature in this book. And then the final part, Miley, you really want to feature in this video, don't you? That's fine, babe. You stay there. You shine. You go, girl. Oh, I love you. The final part was all the copywriting for the book. So that was just reading over the methods and making sure they make sense. Then we had the cover. The cover shoot was that was hard for me because I am not really good at doing photos. I'm cool if you put a camera on me and I'm videoing and we just chat, fine, down for it. Static pictures, I'm a little bit awkward, so that was a bit stressful, but we have a book cover. So I've just been editing. This really is my book. I just want to say a huge thank you to you guys. You guys' support has meant so much to me, so thank you so much. I can't wait to share these recipes with you guys, and I really hope you like them. I put my heart and soul into creating this book, and I really hope you guys love these recipes. So you can pre-order my book right now. I'll leave the link down below, and when you pre-order my book, you're gonna get 7 recipes as an ebook, and you can start cooking my recipes. And if you do make any, please share them with me on Instagram. Let me know. I love seeing what you guys are doing, whether you're adding your own twists, you're keeping it the same. I love to see it, so please let me know. Please give this video a thumbs up if you're excited for the book and the ebook and the recipes to come.
It's fantastic. Hey, take it slow. They kinda wish it jokes on which
again, life show us slow. And all they said was the hot sleeper. I'm the lyrical gangster.
woman tease me and tickle up me weak spot.
What? Are you okay?